Welcome back to Before AGI, everyone. You requested this deep dive.
Yeah.
So today we're tackling AI, specifically for beginners.
Yeah.
So if you're listening and you're new to all this,
Yep.
we're going to break it down and make it super practical for you.
Exactly.
We're going to look at how you can use it in your daily life, your work,
Oh,
and get ready to be surprised. Because you're probably already using AI without even realizing it.
it's true.
I know, right? It's kind of mind-blowing how it's woven into everything. We'll unpack all that, and we'll also see how AI can actually boost your productivity, spark your creativity, and hey, maybe even help you make some money.
The possibilities are endless, really.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is AI and what's all the hype about?
Well, at its core, AI is about machines doing things that normally need human intelligence. Things like problem solving, decision making, even creating.
Oh, wow.
You can think of it as giving machines a set of instructions and the ability to learn from data so they can perform these tasks.
So instead of programming a computer with specific rules for every situation, we're teaching it to think for itself.
In a way, yeah. AI systems learn from huge amounts of data,
Right.
and they use that knowledge to make predictions, generate content, even interact with the world in super sophisticated ways.
It's honestly a bit mind-boggling when you think about machines learning and adapting like that.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder about the future.
It definitely does. But before we get carried away with all those futuristic scenarios, it's really important to understand the different types of AI that we have today. So the AI that we're using daily is called narrow AI.
Okay, so narrow AI.
Narrow AI.
Is that like the master chef who makes the best pasta but can't bake a cake to save their life?
Exactly. Narrow AI is great at specific tasks.
Okay.
Think of things like Siri understanding your voice commands, or Spotify curating personalized playlists. Even those spam filters that keep our inboxes clean, those are all narrow AI.
Oh, wow. So all those things I rely on every day are powered by AI. I never really thought about it like that.
It's true, it often works behind the scenes, seamlessly integrated into the tech that we're using.
Wow.
And then there's general AI, which is the thing you see in science fiction a lot. Machines with human-like intelligence across the board.
So that's where we get into robots taking over the world and all that.
Exactly. General AI is still largely theoretical.
Okay.
We're a long way from machines that can think and reason like we do.
So for today's deep dive, we're focusing on narrow AI, the AI that's actually making waves right now.
Right.
And you mentioned that we're probably already using it without realizing it. Can you give us some examples of that?
Sure. Think about those personalized recommendations that you get on Netflix.
Oh, yeah.
Or on Amazon. Those are all powered by AI algorithms that analyze your viewing or purchase history to predict what you might enjoy.
It's kind of creepy how well those recommendations work sometimes. It's like they know me better than I know myself.
Yeah, that's the power of AI, right? It can process so much data.
Yeah.
And it can identify patterns that we might miss.
Oh.
And then there's predictive text, which saves us from so many typos and just makes texting so much easier.
Oh, for sure.
That's AI in action.
Wow. It's amazing how we've become so used to all these AI features that we don't even notice them anymore. They're just a part of our lives.
Right, completely integrated.
And then there's image and video editing.
Yeah.
AI is making some serious strides there.
Yeah, definitely.
Like those filters that make your selfies look amazing.
Exactly.
Guilty as charged.
Yeah, those filters are powered by AI algorithms that can identify and enhance facial features, smooth out imperfections, even apply virtual makeup.
It's like having your own personal makeup artist in your pocket.
Right.
But it's not just about selfies. AI is changing how we create and edit visual content.
Yeah, like tools like Remini or Aragon. They can enhance the quality of images, make blurry photos sharp, and even bring old memories to life.
I've seen those. The results are pretty incredible. It's like having a time machine for your photos.
It is. And then there's Descript, which uses AI to make audio and video editing as easy as editing text. You can literally remove filler words like, from your recordings with just a few clicks.
Wait, what? So no more painstakingly editing out that's a game changer.
It is. It streamlines the process so much, and it just makes professional quality production more accessible.
Wow. Okay, so this is where it gets really exciting for me. Let's talk about generative AI and those LLMs, large language models that everyone's buzzing about.
This is where AI starts to feel like magic.
Yeah?
Generative AI is all about AI creating things, whether it's text, images, code, even music, based on your instructions or prompts.
You're giving the AI a starting point.
Yeah.
And it just takes it and runs with it, creating all this incredible stuff.
Exactly. And when it comes to LLMs, ChatGPT is the rock star. It exploded in popularity, with a staggering 14.6 billion visits between September 2022 and August 2023 alone.
That's insane. What makes it so popular?
I think it's the user-friendliness. You can literally type in a prompt like, write me a poem about a robot falling in love with a butterfly, and ChatGPT will generate something creative and often surprisingly good.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But beyond writing poems, what are some of the practical uses of ChatGPT?
It can generate all sorts of written content, from blog posts and emails to marketing copy, even code.
So if I'm struggling with writer's block, I can ask ChatGPT to help me get started.
Exactly. It can give you outlines, generate different writing styles. It can even help you brainstorm ideas.
So this is starting to sound like AI could be a serious productivity booster.
Oh, definitely.
But is ChatGPT the only player in the game?
It's not anymore. Google Gemini is emerging as a strong contender,
Yeah.
especially for businesses that are seeking a more connected and integrated AI experience.
So there's a bit of an AI rivalry brewing.
You could say that. Each platform has its strengths, and they're vying for dominance in this rapidly evolving landscape.
So we get to benefit from that competition
Absolutely.
as they keep pushing the boundaries of
Oh, yeah.
AI. Okay, enough about the tech giants battling it out. Let's get back to how WE can use these tools. We're talking enhanced productivity, maybe even supercharging our creativity.
That's where the real magic happens. AI can revolutionize how we work, create, and interact with the world.
Okay, let's dive into some specific examples. I'm ready to unleash my inner AI superhero.
All right, let's do it. Let's start with content creation. Imagine effortlessly crafting perfect emails, presentations, or even scripts.
That sounds like a dream come true. Sign me up.
Well, tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly are already making this a reality. ChatGPT can help generate various written content from blog posts to emails, and Grammarly, an AI-powered grammar and style checker, can polish your writing, ensuring it's clear, concise, and error-free.
So even seasoned professionals can benefit from these AI tools. It's like having a virtual writing assistant to elevate your communication skills.
Precisely. And it's not just about the writing itself. AI can help you optimize your content for search engines, making it easier for people to find your work online. Tools like Neuron Writer and Keyword Insights. AI leverage the power of natural language processing, or NLP, to help you rank higher in search results.
Hold on, NLP sounds a bit technical. Break it down for me.
It might sound intimidating, but NLP is simply the ability of computers to understand and process human language. It's what allows AI to analyze text, identify keywords, and predict search volumes. So instead of guessing which keywords will work best, you can have AI guide you toward the terms that will attract the most traffic.
So it's like having an AI-powered SEO expert at your fingertips. That's incredible.
Yeah.
But what about the visual side of things? I'm hearing a lot about AI in art and design.
AI is revolutionizing the creative landscape, empowering anyone to create stunning visuals even without artistic skills. Tools like Midjourney Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 2 can generate images from text prompts.
Wait, so I can type in something like futuristic cityscape bathed in neon light,
Yeah.
and the AI will create that image for me.
Exactly. These AI-powered tools are opening up new avenues for creative expression and allowing anyone to visualize their ideas even if they can't draw or paint.
That's mind-blowing. But beyond creating cool artwork, what practical uses does AI image generation have?
Imagine effortlessly creating custom illustrations for your website or social media posts, or generating high-quality product mock-ups for your business without hiring a professional designer. The possibilities are endless.
This all sounds incredible, but I have to admit, a part of me feels overwhelmed. Is learning AI just for tech wizards? I barely understand how to use all the features on my smartphone.
That's a common misconception. Learning AI isn't just for tech geniuses, it's for everyone. There are fantastic resources available that cater to all skill levels and interests.
So where do you even begin?
Online platforms like Coursera and Guild Education offer courses that break down complex AI concepts into bite-sized lessons. You can also start experimenting with user-friendly AI tools. Many of them have tutorials and intuitive interfaces that let you learn by doing.
So it's about starting small, gradually building up your knowledge, and not being afraid to experiment.
Precisely. And remember, the best time to start learning about AI is now. It's a rapidly evolving field, and acquiring these skills early on can give you a significant advantage in the job market. We're in a window of opportunity where those who embrace AI will be best positioned to thrive in this new era.
Okay, so we've covered AI's impact on content creation, SEO art, and even learning itself. But what about the bigger picture? How is AI transforming industries beyond the digital realm?
AI is making waves in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, and countless other sectors. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions is revolutionizing the way we approach complex problems.
Let's dive into a few examples. I'm particularly fascinated by AI's potential in healthcare.
In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and even assist with surgeries. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than humans detecting subtle patterns that might be missed by the human eye. This leads to earlier diagnoses, more targeted treatments, and ultimately better health outcomes.
It's like having a team of expert doctors working alongside human physicians, providing insights and support to enhance patient care.
Exactly. And AI is playing a crucial role in drug discovery and development. Imagine AI sifting through vast amounts of data to identify promising drug candidates and simulating the effects of drugs on the human body.
That's incredible.
Hmm.
It seems like AI could accelerate the process of finding cures for diseases that were once thought incurable.
The potential is certainly there, but it's not just about treating diseases, it's about preventing them in the first place. AI can analyze a patient's medical history, lifestyle, and even genetic information to identify potential health risks and recommend personalized preventative measures.
That's a game changer. It shifts the focus from reactive care to proactive health management, empowering individuals to take control of their well-being. But what about other industries? How is AI impacting the way we work and live?
In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are automating tasks, improving efficiency, and creating safer working environments.
And in transportation, self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're becoming a reality.
That's right. AI is transforming the way we move people and goods, making transportation safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. The possibilities are truly endless.
It's both exhilarating and a bit daunting to think about the sheer scope of AI's impact. It feels like we're on the cusp of a technological revolution that will reshape society as we know it.
It's a time of tremendous opportunity and rapid change. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we stay informed, engage in thoughtful discussions, and consider the ethical implications of this transformative technology.
Okay, so we've explored the incredible potential of AI across various industries. But I'm curious, what are some of the challenges and considerations we need to keep in mind as AI becomes more integrated into our lives?
One of the key challenges is ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly. We need to consider the potential impact of AI on employment and address concerns about bias and fairness in AI systems.
Right. We've heard stories about AI algorithms perpetuating existing biases, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring or loan applications.
That's why it's crucial to have diverse teams working on AI development and to ensure that the data used to train AI models is representative of the population as a whole. We need to be mindful of the potential consequences of AI and work towards mitigating any negative impacts.
It sounds like we need to approach AI with a sense of caution and responsibility, ensuring that it benefits society as a whole and doesn't exacerbate existing inequalities.
Exactly. It's not just about the technology itself, it's about how we choose to use it and the values we embed in its development and deployment.
It's a reminder that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill. The choices we make today will determine the future of AI and its impact on humanity.
That's a powerful message to keep in mind as we navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape.
This deep dive has opened my eyes to the vast potential of AI and the incredible ways it's already transforming our world. But it's also clear that we need to approach AI thoughtfully, considering both its benefits and its potential risks.
It's a journey we're all on together, and it's one that requires ongoing learning, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical principles.
So where do we go from here? What can our listeners do to, stay ahead of the curve, embrace this whole AI revolution?
I think the first step is to cultivate AI literacy.
So it's not just about learning how to use those specific tools, but understanding AI as a whole, like its capabilities, its limitations, even how it could impact society.
Exactly. We need to be informed citizens who can have those important conversations about AI and contribute to its development in a responsible way.
Makes sense. But how do we actually become more AI literate? Where do we even start?
Well, there's some great resources out there. Online courses, articles, even books and documentaries. Platforms like Coursera and Guild Education offer those courses. They break down all those complex AI concepts into lessons that are easier to grasp.
It sounds like there's a ton of info out there for anyone willing to learn.
Oh, absolutely. And don't forget about hands-on experience. There are online platforms, communities where you can try out AI tools, learn from other people, even build your own projects.
That's exciting. It sounds like a giant playground for curious minds. And it's not just for techies, right? Anyone can jump in and explore.
Exactly. AI is for everyone. It's not really about coding skills or being super technical. It's about that curiosity, willingness to learn, and wanting to see what this tech can do.
So for those of us who aren't programmers or data scientists, what advice would you give to someone just starting their AI journey?
I'd say stay curious, ask questions, and don't be afraid to experiment. The world of AI is constantly changing, so embrace that learning process. Be open to new things. And remember, AI is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad, right? The choices we make now will determine how it impacts us and future generations.
It's powerful, that reminder that we have a responsibility in shaping AI's future to make sure it benefits humanity.
Absolutely. It's not about letting AI take over. It's about using it to make us better,
Yeah.
enhance our decision making, help us create a better future.
It's about collaborating with AI, not being dominated by it.
Exactly. Working with it, not against it, shaping it so it reflects our values and, serves our best interests.
This deep dive has been so insightful. I feel like I understand AI so much better now, how it works, its potential impact. But most importantly, I feel inspired to learn more, to explore all those possibilities.
That's fantastic to hear. And remember, this is just the beginning. The AI revolution is still happening. There's so much more to come.
And for our listeners who want to keep exploring with us, make sure to subscribe to Before AGI. We have more deep dives into AI and other emerging technologies coming up.
And if you're ready to get hands-on with AI, definitely check out Ian Ochieng AI on YouTube. He's got practical tutorials, insights, all that good stuff to get you started.
We're all on this AI adventure together, folks. So stay curious, keep learning, and never stop asking questions. The world of AI is huge and it's always changing. Embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
Catch you in the next episode.